Hi, in this tutorial we'll see how to make entries of online refill sales. Option data entry, option refill sales, new button, date, bill number will appear automatically. Also this tick mark will appear automatically by default. So you have to untick this in the cache box, as online transactions are not cash transactions. And thereafter select online account. Now how to create this online account? For that we already have a tutorial titling how to create account master. You can refer that and create this account. Now coming back to this tutorial, we select 14.2 kg cylinder. You may or may not select the delivery man depending upon your requirement. Here you enter the total number of quantities sold on this day, that is 25th February, under online transactions of 14.2 kg. Total quantities sold on this day. Thereafter press enter, and save this record. The record is saved. You need not to print the document, as you have already issued the bills, invoices to your online customers. So you click no. The entry is already saved. Now to see how this entry appears in the reports, you may either refer the ledger statement or group ledger. Under group ledger you select sundry debtors, show report. You can to find out, see today's transaction, you select today's date, click show report, and you will see this under online transactions. Amount of 6,500 is appearing in the debit side. If you double click this, you will go to the ledger statement of this account, online credit card, etc., where the opening balance, this is the opening balance, this is today's sale to appearing on the debit side, and this is the total closing debit balance. Whenever you receive the money, maybe the same day, maybe the next day, or after 2-3 days, in your bank account or in the statement of accounts of your principal, whenever you receive the credit for this online transaction, you have to enter those credit by going in option data entry, option daily entries, bank receipt. How to enter this credit will be covered under a different tutorial. For the time being, we are through with this tutorial of creating entries under online refill sales account. Thanks for your time.